Hey, welcome on board! I'm very happy that you've decided to invest in yourself and your entrepreneurial mindset. This is what great entrepreneurs do. Before we start with the content, I would like to tell you how to get the most out of this program. First of all, you will find a workbook attached to this video. Download it and print it out. It's important you have it hardcover because you will be doing some writing there. At the end of each section, you will discover a take action video where I give you an assignment related to the topic we've discussed in the respective section. Before each take action video, usually I do a general recap of the whole section. I'm mentioning the most important points and takeaways. At the end of each section, there is a quiz waiting for you, but don't get upset about it. That's not your regular school test. In fact, it's quite refreshing and you'd have no problem taking it, providing you've watched the videos from that section. I've also included the slides as attached files and made them downloadable, so it's easy for you to refer to certain points when needed. My goal for you is to provide you with the right mindset that stellar entrepreneurs share and help you install them into your head. I'm a huge believer in the concept of modeling. If we think the same way entrepreneurs do, if we do what successful entrepreneurs do, chances are we will become successful as well. Can I guarantee that? No. In fact, nobody can. But at least we know that our efforts have been in accordance to the concept of modeling, which has proven to be effective millions of times. From all the books, articles, videos, podcasts I've read, listened, watched, I identified 8 main topics that successful entrepreneurs have very specific attitudes about. And for us to be successful, we need to make a mental shift in all these 8 areas. Otherwise, they might be the reason why we don't progress. They might be holding us back massively, because they are not topics that change often. These are evergreen topics and we need to pay special attention to them. Here they are: fear, passion, money, value, time, action, learning, and opportunities. Each of these topics is important and it has to be taken care of separately. The way you do that is by looking at yourself and being honest. Am I really passionate about this startup? What do I fear most in terms of business? What's my attitude towards money? Do I manage my time effectively? Do I take action when needed? Do I invest enough in myself? How much money did I spend this year to improve my skills and knowledge? Am I actively seeking opportunities? See, these are very fundamental questions, but they are part of every entrepreneur's life. The last year during my bachelor's degree and the first semester during my master's degree at Copenhagen Business School, I studied entrepreneurship intensively. We were loaded with theories and stories about successful startups. I loved the stories, but as for the theories, well, I wasn't quite sure they would be of great use to my personality. Plus, these theories were boring. And for that reason, I didn't include even one theory because I want to keep this learning experience positive and engaging as much as possible. So I can't wait anymore. Let's begin. My name is Vladimir Raikov, but you can call me Vlad. And you will hear me often say, stay purposeful.